You'll have love at first sight with the 2015 Nissan Titan. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 120,000 miles on the odometer. The bold styling of this powerful Titan is just the start. This full-size pickup delivers the strength and capability you need to meet the challenge. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth connection, alarm. Rugged capability meets refined comfort in this well-appointed Titan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.